Alright, let's give this a try. Come on, Sarge. Come on, Sargie. She's a little overwhelming, isn't she, buddy? You're okay, buddy. You're okay, yeah. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay, buddy. Hey, you get your nose out of here. Yeah, see, you're okay, bud. You're okay. Yeah, they're a bit much, aren't they? Come here, Sarge. Yeah, you're a good boy. Sarge, you're a good boy. You're okay. He's never actually been allowed near them, so he's a little overwhelmed. Yeah, you're okay, buddy. Good boy. Yeah, see? It ain't that bad, buddy. Yeah, they like you. Yeah. Okay, you guys want more treats? Sarge is doing okay considering he just nipped at my heels wanting to play. There we go. You're okay, buddy. Yeah, you're okay. Hey, sweetie. You can tell he's curious, but overwhelmed. Aren't you? Aren't you? He's only interested in them when their backs are to him. There we go. Yeah, you're a good boy. Look at you, plucking yourself. Hi, girls. For anyone curious, by the way, Raikou is locked up because he does not play well with the puppy. He doesn't like dogs. Alright, alright. Come on, Sarge. Come on, buddy. No. Espion, you stay out here. So I let Raikou out and I let Sarge out. But she has a chicken heart right now that she's trying to feed to him. Oh, she might have finally given up on feeding it to him. He was a little overwhelmed. That's okay. He's a puppy. He's still trying to figure everything out.